Hello students, today we discuss what is sex linkages, explain the sex linked genes, sex linked characters, add a note on sex linked inheritance with examples of color blindness. In the previous video I talked on the sex linked disease or sex linked inheritance with example of hemophilia. So the introductory part is same as like the hemophilia disease. That is the first point. It is the what is linkages. So on this chromosomal genes are present wherever chromosomally grows from parents to offspring. Similarly or parallelly, the genes are also goes from parents to offspring. Then the tendency of gene to inherit along with the chromosomes, that known as the linkages. So in linkages there is the two types of chromosomes. So linkages are also two types. The linkages related to autosomes, that is autosomal linkages, and the linkages related to sex chromosome, that is sex chromosome linkages. Third is this about sex linkages. It is defined in the tendency of linkages to inherit along with the sex chromosomes, that is the sex linkages. Then there are two types of chromosome, X chromosome and Y chromosome. On X chromosome there is the X linked genes and XY linked genes are present. In Y chromosome there is the Y linked genes and XY linked genes are present. So the genes linked with the सेक्स क्रोमोसोम उसे हम सेक्स लिंक्ड जीन्स कहते हैं, और the characters which controlled by these sex linked genes, that is the sex linked characters. So this is the three types of genes or characters that are controlled, or that are the types of sex linkages, that is sex linked genes, XY linked genes and Y linked genes. In previous video I talked about the hemophilia. The hemophilia, it is sex linked diseases and the inheritance pattern is the crisscross and zigzag. Similarly, the color blindness is human being. It is also the sex linked diseases and pattern is like crisscross and zigzag. So let's start about the color blindness in human being. जो इंट्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है वो सेम वहाँ तक आपको लिखना है. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. सो इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ डिसीज. देन color blind person cannot distinguish the red and green color. So these patients cannot differentiate the red color and green color. It is controlled by gene which is present on the X chromosome. That's why this is the X chromosomal or X linked diseases. Then mutation of gene in X chromosome forms the color blindness. जो जब भी कुछ abnormal changes are happen in the X chromosome, that are form the color blindness diseases. The patient color blindness affected the cones of eyes. Mostly क्या होता है जो color blindness diseases है, that disease affected the color ability. That means they affect the cones of eyes. That's why these patients are not differentiate the red color and green color. So in these are the genotypes. Mostly these color blindness character is controlled by the small c genes. In color blindness female, that is XC genotype, normal female, X capital C, X capital C. Then in normal females, X capital C, X small c, that is also known as the carrier females. Then normal male, in normal male, the genotype is X small c y. In colorblind, X capital CY, colorblind में X small cy. Then frequency of colorblindness is more in female than the males, or it is more in males as compared to the female. So male patient ज़्यादातर हमें मेल्स में एक कलर ब्लाइंड डिसीज दिखाई देता है. सो फर्स्ट लुक दिस क्रॉस. इन दिस क्रॉस द कलर ब्लाइंड मदर इज क्रॉस्ड विथ नॉर्मल मेल्स. इन कलर ब्लाइंडनेस the genotype is X small c. In normal male XCY. Then in F1 generation, what are the offsprings are observed? These offsprings are X capital C, X small c, then X capital C, X small c. There are two are normal daughters, but they are carrier, and these males are the X small cy and X small cy. That both males are the affected, it is color blind. Then in second cause, if the normal mother is crossed with color blind father, then in normal mother the genotype is X capital C, X capital C. In color blind father, X small c and Y. Then again in F1 generation, what's happened? In this cross there is a two carrier daughters and two normal grandsons are observed. So the cross, as like in F1 generation, if the color blind female, then in F1 generation males are color blind. Then again in third generation, again male will be carrier of this color blindness. So in this way the color blindness disease is observed in female to male, male to female, that like the criss-cross pattern. So this is all about the color blindness disease. Mostly this disease is observed in males as compared to the females, but here the color blindness pattern is like zigzag or crisscross. So in this way this is all about the color blindness in human being. See, this is also another example of X inheritance diseases. So I think lastly आपको यहाँ पे क्या याद रखना है, तो जो इंट्रोडक्टिव पार्ट सेम जो हम हीमोफीलिया के लिए लिख रहे हैं वही आपको यहाँ पे देना है. उसके बाद कलर ब्लाइंडनेस, जो कलर ब्लाइंडनेस कंडीशन है, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस में क्या रहता है कि जो पेशेंट है वो पेशेंट रेड कलर और ग्रीन कलर वो डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते, वो पहचान नहीं सकते. इट्स हैपन क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो एक्स क्रोमोसोम में कुछ म्यूटेशंस वहाँ पे फॉर्म होते हैं, और जो कोन ऑफ जो आइज का जो कोन है, दैट आइज ऑफ कोन आर अफेक्टेड एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे कैन नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएट. यहाँ पे हमें जीनोटाइप दिए हैं, फिर उनका यहाँ पे कैरियर मदर का नॉर्मल मेल के साथ क्रॉस करना है, और फिर नॉर्मल मदर का कलर ब्लाइंड फादर के साथ क्रॉस करना है. जब हम इसको क्रॉस बनाएंगे तो हमें समझ में आएगा कि जो पैटर्न है दैट इज़ फर्स्ट जनरेशन टू थर्ड जनरेशन, इट इज़ लाइक अ क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न. or zigzag pattern. So this is all about the color blindness. DC, that is X linked diseases. So today I will stop here. In next